Once upon a time, in a little weird town, there were two lonely letters, O and A. They weren't feeling so good on their own. O felt round and empty. A was sharp and pointy, always bumping into things. Then one day, O and A bumped into each other. And something magical happened. They felt better, stronger, happier. And together, they made a brand new sound. Not O, not A, but O. Let's find out where O likes to hide. This is a boat. B-O-T. Boat. Let's say it. Boat. Whoa! A toad. T-O-D. Toad. Ribbit. And here is some soapy fun. S-O-P. Again. S-O-P. Soap. Whoa! A goat walking by in his farm. G-O-T. G-O-T. Goat. A road. R-O-D. Road. Where we can travel on road. You did amazing today. You learned how O and A team up and make the O sound. Now, go find O words around your house, like soap or coat, and say them out loud. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time for more word adventures. Until then, keep reading and keep smiling. Bye!